Hey guys, what's up? So JJ27 is right over here. Say hi, JJ.
Hi.
Hi. Today we are going to put some emblems on our project car, on our AC Cobra. So yeah, this Cobra has no emblems on it right now. And we are going to install the emblems. It needs to have the 427 on the sides, and the front badge, which is this one, needs to go right over here. So we have everything ready right over here to go. A little small drill, piece of paper, the two side emblems, front emblem, some glues, etc. And we have JJ right over here, who is going to hold the camera and explain how we do this. Go ahead, Jay.
Okay, so first things first, what we need is, of course, we need some paper to see where we put our emblems.
Well, we're gonna mark the marks. So
Yes.
we already made the marks on it.
Yes.
So we have these holes right over here. So we can just basically just drill into the body and make the holes. We're gonna drill with a smaller drill first, and then make it the correct size drill. So we're just making the pilot holes right now. Okay. So this is pretty much where we want to be. We're just gonna straighten it out. Alrighty, perfect. I think that this is about 6 inches away from the nose of the body. We can bring it a little bit more down, actually.
Okay.
On the grab, there we go.
Yeah, that looks about right.
That's our spot right here. So we're just gonna do the pilot holes.
So we already have our pilot holes drilled there and there. The camera barely can't see. So now we're gonna take a bigger drill. You got the bigger drill. And now we're just gonna go in again. That just drilled the regular holes on top of the pilot holes. And now what are we doing? Putting the badge in?
We're gonna try and see if it works, Jay. I think that these holes are not as big as they should be. Yeah. Gonna have to mess around with it and get the hole a little bit bigger.
Okay, so which drill are we taking next?
Well, I think that the next size is actually going to be a little bit too big. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this size.
And just do it again.
Go it again a little bit with the sides on it. Just make sure I'm going straight. Yep.
Okay.
Perfect. I have the bottom one is a little bit too tight too. Then jump one more size up, Jay.
Ooh.
Third size up. This seems to be
that might fit.
probably will do the trick. Let's see now.
And where is the badge? Oh, you have it. Okay. Ooh. What?
Again, tight fit on the bottom, but it is going in, and the top needs a little bit of moving around. So give me a second.
You want to do that? Make sure that's okay, like that, and ooh, that's a tight fit. Ooh.
And it's in.
It's in.
It's in. So
It's in.
now what we're gonna
That's
do
a good
is we're
thing.
gonna use some glue.
Yeah, we're gonna use.
Two different types of glue.
Which
Right back here, we're gonna use the 3M on the face, and we're gonna use the goop for the actual pins.
Yeah. Okay, so right now we're in there. Where you wanna put it in front? And then you want to put it around on there.
So the glue is going to take some time to cure, but the double-sided tape is going to hold it secure, plus the holes are going to hold it secure. So if we want to drive it, we could. Just need to make sure that we're putting it up the right side, right?
Yep.
And we got that, we got this, and we got a Cobra emblem installed in our car.
Wow.
Here we go.
And you want to put it down a little, pat it down. And then we got these ones to install. It's going to take a little bit of time.
On the side of the replica right over here. It's going to go right over that. We already did the front, which is kind of nice.
You glued it down. I just need to let it dry.
First things first, we're gonna take some paper and we're gonna mark the holes. So we're gonna go put it like this in the sideways. We're gonna mark it down. It would be nice if my pen was working. Okay. Let's go around the pins. Mark our holes. Perfect.
Okay.
Now we're gonna take our
A drill.
small, non-powerful drill because we don't want to make too much damage. And make little pilot holes. Exactly where the holes were. I'm gonna go in here. Oop, went right through the cardboard box, didn't it?
Yep.
And right over here.
Get to the cardboard box.
What is stop?
Okay.
Oh. Chicken.
Hey guys, we're continuing to work on this, and so right now we're just drilling the holes. As you can see, this is a finished product.